Hi, how are you? Welcome to my kitchen. Want to try this healthy and filling salad with chickpea nuggets? It tastes great and you'll find that the recipe is really easy for you to make. Have you subscribed to my channel already? To make the salad, you'll need capsicum, onions, tomato, baby radishes, cucumber and lettuce. I'm using iceberg. Chop up the lettuce. Just a rough chop and put it into water. Keep that in the fridge. Peel the cucumber. Slice it up. Slice the tomato. I like to soak the onions in water before chopping them. Slice them up. Slice the capsicum. Wash and trim the leaves from the baby radish and just trim the roots slightly. And all you need to do is slit them in half lengthwise. Just wrap it up in cling film and put it in the fridge to chill till it's time for you to actually make the salad. Chop up some onions really fine. You need boiled and drained chickpeas. Add them to a mixie jar. Add in a clove or two of garlic. Grind it to a smooth paste. Add in some chaat masala, cumin powder, garam masala powder and salt to taste. Add in the finely chopped onions and some breadcrumbs. This is fresh breadcrumbs that I'm using. Mix everything up. You could use the tinned chickpeas in its place, or else soak the chickpeas overnight and boil them the next day. That's done. You'll also need some fresh breadcrumbs. Just scoop out the chickpea. Shape it into a nugget. Don't really bother about the shape, just have it in a flat shape somehow. Roll it in the breadcrumbs to coat it and set it aside. Similarly, make all the nuggets. Once they are all done, just put them in the fridge to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Use a jar to make the dressing. Some mayonnaise, mustard, lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil. Put on a lid and give it a shake. That looks nice and thick, so I'll just add in some more oil and get it to a spreadable consistency. That looks good. I have a hot pan here. I'll pour in a little oil. Shallow fry the nuggets till they are lightly colored on the outside. Get them out and drain them on absorbent paper. You could even cook them on the grill pan. So you'll need a platter. I'm using this platter. You could use a small one or a large one depending on how many servings you plan to arrange. The vegetables are out of the fridge. And the lettuce. So begin by putting a layer of the chopped lettuce at the base. They have become nice and crunchy. Then just throw in some of the vegetables. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Few slices of tomatoes. Adds to the nice color. Cucumber. Some of the radishes. Just place them here and there. Forgot the onions. Some olives. And finally the nuggets. I'll leave the ones that I fried for my son and use the ones that I grilled. You could break them up into smaller pieces or just add them in as it is. Try and fit in another one so that it becomes a complete meal. So give the dressing a final shake before adding it. That smells lovely. Some sweet chili sauce. And some salt. This salad looks very inviting. Serve it as a meal or as a snack. Enjoy it any way you like.